Welcome back to Chapter 2. Last chapter, you opened the terminal and ran your first commands. This chapter, you learn how to move around, calmly, safely, and one folder at a time. Today is Navigation Day. You'll learn PWD to see where you are, LS to see what's here, CD to move, paths to give directions, tab to avoid typing full names, history to reuse commands, and Control-C to stop anything that runs away. By the end, the terminal stops feeling like a blank box and starts feeling like a map. First, your compass and your flashlight. Type PWD and press Enter. It prints your working directory, the folder you're standing in right now. If it says /home/Maria, you're in Maria's home folder. Anytime you feel lost, run PWD. No guessing, no panic, just your exact location. Pro tip: Linux paths use forward slashes, not Windows backslashes. If your fingers type C:\users out of habit, smile. That's Windows muscle memory leaving the building. Now type LS. That's short for list. It shows the files and folders in your current location: desktop, documents, downloads, pictures, videos. Same folders you see in the file manager, just shown as text. The basic LS is friendly, but flags make it more useful. LS-L gives the long view. LS-A shows hidden files. LS-LAH combines long, all, and human-readable sizes. You don't have to memorize every column today. Just notice that flags change how a command behaves.
If ls prints nothing, that usually means the folder is empty. Silence is not failure. The terminal is simply saying, there's nothing here to list.
Now let's move. CD means change directory. Type CD documents, press Enter, then run PWD. Now you're in /home/Maria/documents. CD often says nothing when it works, so PWD is how you confirm where you landed. Troubleshooting moment. Documents with a capital D is not the same as documents with a lowercase d. Linux is case sensitive. Every letter matters, and tab completion will help you avoid most of those typos. To go up one level, type CD ... Two dots means the parent directory. To go home from anywhere, type CD by itself, or CD tilde. That little tilde means your home directory. CD tilde/documents means go to documents inside my home folder. 2 ways to give directions. An absolute path starts at the root with / or at your home shortcut with tilde. It works from anywhere. /home/Maria/documents is absolute. A relative path starts from where you are right now. Documents, /music, and /pictures are relative. Absolute is a full address. Relative is turn-by-turn directions from here. Watch the pattern. CD/ goes to the top of the whole file system. CD tilde/downloads jumps to downloads inside your home. CD / music goes up one level, then into music. Paths are just directions written in terminal language. Let's name the landmarks. / is the root. Everything starts there. /home is where people live. Tilde is your personal shortcut home. A single dot means right here. 2 dots means one level up. /etc stores system configuration. /usr stores system-wide programs and shared resources. /temp is the scratchpad for temporary files.
Fun fact: /user originally meant user back when it held user home directories. Those homes moved to /home, but the name stayed. Now people often read it as Unix System Resources. Linux keeps its history right in the path names.
Looking around system folders is safe. Reading is not the same as changing. In this chapter, we're exploring. Later, when a command could change system files, we'll slow down and say so clearly. This is the moment your fingers get faster. From home, type cd doc, then press tab. The terminal completes it to documents/. You did not type the whole folder name, and you avoided a typo. That's tab completion, autocomplete for commands, folders, and files. If more than one thing matches, tab may beep or pause. Press tab again, and it shows choices: desktop, documents, downloads. Type one or two more letters. Press tab again, and the terminal finishes the path. Use tab early and often.
A friendly habit. Press tab after every few characters. Experienced terminal users almost never type full file names. The tab key is how they move so quickly.
The terminal remembers. Press the up arrow and your previous command appears. Press it again to go further back. Down arrow moves forward. If you need to run something again, don't retype it. Bring it back, edit if needed, and press enter. The history command shows a numbered list of what you've typed: pwd, ls, cd documents, ls-la, cd ... This is your command trail. It helps you remember what worked and return to it later.
There's an even faster way. Press Ctrl-R, type a few letters, and the terminal searches your history backward. Type share, and it can find cd/user/share. Enter runs it. Ctrl-C or escape cancels the search.
Now, the emergency brake. Run yes, and your screen fills with endless Ys. That's okay. Hold Control and press C. The command stops, you see "C", and a fresh prompt appears. You're back in control.
If you start something by accident, Ctrl-C is safe. It is cancel for the terminal. Copy is Ctrl-Shift-C here, so don't worry when Ctrl-C behaves differently than Windows.
Time for your navigator mission. 5 stops. Start at home with cd tilde, confirm with pwd, and look around with ls. Visit Documents. Jump to /. Visit /etc. Then go deep to /user/share/doc. At every stop, pwd is your compass and ls is your flashlight. Zoom out, and the whole file system is one tree rooted at /. Your files live under /home. System configuration lives under /etc. Programs and shared resources live under /user. Temporary scratch work lives under /temp. You don't need to memorize every branch today. Just recognize the landmarks. You did it. You can ask where you are, list what's around you, move through folders, use paths, lean on tab completion, search history, and stop a runaway command. Chapter 3 is where we start creating, moving, copying, and deleting files. You know the map now. Next, we rearrange the furniture.